Uh, Good morning. Can you hear me? Okay. Right. Okay. EEX3372 programming in Python, day school 1. Uh, Actually, uh, why this Python programming language is important and this main uh, advantages of this programming languages. Mm, It is easy to code actually. It is like general English language. Uh, uh, when you study C programming like that and other program languages, it is very difficult. And this is more easier than those uh, programming languages. And it support uh, multiple programming paradigms. Paradigms mean in different areas, different contexts. OOP, object-oriented programming, database management systems, AI, machine learning, and the other automations. And like we can include in Raspberry Pi also uh, to program uh, automation uh, mm, systems. It is compatible with uh, all operating systems available in most of the operating systems available in the world, Windows, Linux, Raspberry OS, like that. It has a large number of libraries. Libraries means pre-programmed uh, functions, and you can import those things to the your code, and you can use those codes. Actually, those codes are free. You don't need to pay for those to get those libraries. Because of this free, it is cost effective. Actually, uh, for most of the programming, uh, no need to pay for these Python program libraries. There are so many libraries for the AI, machine learning, and DBMS or OP, like arrays. If you consider arrays, there are several types of libraries are there, like NumPy, like that. For the AI, Keras, TensorFlow, like. Mm, Now, I will use Colab. That is Google Colab. It is provided by the Google. They say that collaboration. Uh, you can write code and execute in your web browser. No need to configure in your computer. This Google Colab. Just you can use it, but you have to remember these codes are not exist for about uh, one day, and they will vanish. So we have to mount this Colab to your Google Drive, so you can use at any time. You can code you can get from the Google Drive, and you can connect to the Google Colab. And one of the main advantage of this Colab is you can use Google's GPU. GPU is it is when you program like AI, the the machine uh, should have a much uh, large graphics processing units and memory. So Google provide these GPUs for free of charge. But those those outputs are not available until after 12 or 24. I think about 24 hours it will exist, and then they will vanish. This Google Colab is easy to share. Um, you can insert text and like comment. You can insert text and images for one side of under the text, and you can write codes and the next, and you can execute. You can run those uh, programs online using Colab. We will start now. Print hello world. This is beginning of the Python. Print hello world. Okay, now I will get Colab. I am starting a new notebook. It is a notebook like this. Notebook, uh, this here you can um, uh, write um, program codes. The first program, print hello world. You can run from by clicking this button. But it takes some time than uh, when you run in computer. It depends on the internet facility. And also this hello world will print under this. If you want to insert text, you can write text here. Hello. You can go move it to the up from this uh, icon. Here it will go to the up to this one. You can delete this by clicking this one, delete cell. And then next one is variables. Okay. You can't run from this text. You have to add code. You see marks equal 55 for any number. In C programming, you have to declare variable type, integer, float, floating point means you can insert decimal numbers and characters. You have to define data type. Here, it will automatically, if you write 55, that is integer, the type will be marks, the variable type will be integer. Here, the data type is integer. Then print get the output from the marks variable. With, 55. This type first, it will output the type, and then over that it will print the marks. So this one will not display. And now we will put marks as 55.5. Then we will check type, data type. Now here 55 will print. Here this after the 55, the marks is integer. This class integer type, and then print marks, and then assign marks assign 55.5 will assign to the marks. So it will, this variable become float now. So it will change. So that is now the Python is called dynamic program because it will change according to the our requirement. In C programming, you can't change it. Another thing is this will print top to bottom. First, this one execute this program will execute. First, execute this one, get the output, and then this will this line will execute. Then it will print. Like that, one by one, it will execute. So these programming languages, these types of programming languages, we call as interpreter. Another thing is character. We can insert text below, character, data type. We can insert code next to this one, code. We can, what is that? First name. Students, you can understand these things, no? Please talk if you cannot understand, okay? You can hear, no? First name, now, first name is equal to the, let's say, Kumar. Here it will print data type of the first name, that will character. Here, this it will print the first name as Kumar. Class is string. Okay, string also C programming character is one character. String is many characters like this. K is one character. Kumar is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. And then is online. Boolean. We have to say true. When you assign true, it will the data type will be the Boolean type. Class is bool, and print is online. You can run it. The true. Now we can assign false also. First one, it will print the true. Now we assign false to the is online, so it will become false. This is the Boolean type. And other is input. Name, input, enter your name. when you put in space here, the output will be the name, you enter your name, and there will be a space to the input uh, uh, input. Here you can input your name, enter your name and space because of this space, and you can enter. Now we will print this, print name. Here we can input and assign to this variable. Now here this variable will be string. Suppose we write lal, then it will print la. First, the compiler, uh, uh, this interpreter will execute first one, and then this print, it will the name will be printed. This command will be executed later. Print hello name. And another one is, you can write like this also. Hello lal. Now you have to put a space here. Hello lal. Now then hello, after that it will print a space, and then whatever name you entered. You can put here comma also. That also correct. Plus and the comma also, both are correct. Here integers, floating point variables, uh, complex complex variables. Complex variables are a plus j, a plus y, a plus b, j. That is complex variables. This print x. Here now this j value is -1. The real number is 4, and the imaginary number is -1. So it will print 4 minus 1 j. I think you have heard these complex numbers in mathematics when you are doing mathematics. Now, what happened if you type this? It will print syntax error, because variable should not start with like numbers and special characters, like the special characters. Start with the this like this. Yes, it's okay now. If it is syntax error, it will print in a red color. It will become red color. Otherwise, black. Now, other one is operators. In code, x equal 3, now x equal 2, y equal 3, z equal 5. Now we will now x multiply y and print the a equal multiplied by 3, print a 6. 2 into 3 is 6. These are operators, okay? Equal, uh, multiply, b equal print b 6 and 11. Now you have questions up to now? Hello. What are the questions up to now? Hello. Please talk. Anyone? Hello. 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 Okay. Now, what happened if we write like this? Now, uh, in every programming language, there is a thing called operator precedence, because at the beginning the precedence have highest priority gives for the brackets, open and close brackets, and then multiply and divide, and then plus minus uh, multiply divide, then plus and minus. The lower level is plus and minus. Now here what happens is x into y and plus z. If you write like this, first it will multiply y and z and then plus x. But what happens here, first add x to the y and then multiply z. Here uh, here 2 into 3, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then what happens here? X plus y, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 5, 25. This is operator precedence. What happens is E is x divided by y. It will divide. This divide mark is this. This is the x divided by y. This is actually operator precedence. X equal a plus b, c divided by 2. What will happen in this one? We will put f here, x, y, z, d is you say now first x plus y will execute, and then multiplied by z and then divide by d. This will print like this. This here values are not available. The other thing is control structures. Control structures in any programming language, yes, these three are the basics: sequence, selection, and iteration. Is also called looping. Sequence is instructions are given one by one sequentially. In selection, there is a choice. If something will, if this is true, one instruction will be executed. If it is false, other instruction will execute. In looping, it has also a choice decision. This is decision box. It has also in looping also it has a decision box, and then what happens is if this is true or false, continue this instruction. We have to give whether it is false or true, which way this program should go. If suppose if we give choice is true, if choice is true, low, or otherwise exit the low. If this is choice is true, continue instruction, otherwise it will exit. This program will exit. Here in selection, only if it is true, the one instruction will execute and then exit. If it is false, the other instruction will execute and exit this selection process. Now I will give an example, this one. Here there are two variables called allowed limit. We assign the 25 to this variable. Extra weight is another variable. The zero is assigned to this extra weight. Now, what will be the data type? The data type is integer. Now we will input this program is for if it is weight greater than 25, it will print the extra weight. Otherwise, it is within the limit. Here, this is true. This is selection. If it is true, greater than 25, otherwise else. Now, we will put this here. Now, here, input how many kilograms does your bag weight? The user has to give the answer, the value, and the data type of this value will become float because of this, and it will assign to this weight variable like this. Is how many kilograms does your bag weigh? You can write 30 like this. Nothing will happen because there is no other program codes. And we will write selection. If weight greater than 25. Now in selection, we have to write in this type of instruction. We have to write this colon sign uh, at the end of this line, and then when I enter, it will automatically goes to this uh, point, because uh, in other program like C, uh, the if statement start with the uh, curly bracket. Now here there is no bracket to start, bracket to begin, no some starting point. There's no starting point. We have to write. It will start like this. It will give a indentation. If we have to give indentation after this if selection control structure. Here extra weight is equal weight minus extra weight, extra weight, extra weight now 0 is equal to the weight what we have input and minus allowed limit. If weight greater than 25, because it will bring the extra weight. The print, now this print, now here print your luggage has comma this variable, and then kilograms etc. It will print your luggage has, same thing within the inverted commas, and then extra weight variable this extra weight value of this extra weight will be print here, and then it will print AGS extra. Here print there will be this will print there will be an extra charge of extra weight multiply 10. Charge is weight into 10. Now what will happen here? Now here, because this indentation is not aligned with this one, it gives error. Indentation error. Unintended does not match any outer indentation level. Now what will happen? Now it's work. We will give 20. No. Now we wrote only if greater than 25. Now what? We have to write other words. Else, put a colon, and then print your luggage weight is within the limit. Then exit the if else control structure. Then come to the thanks for your business. Now within the if statement you have to indent all these at the same level. After else also you have to use this indentation correctly. Then what? Then that also okay. Now 20. Thank you. Now after this each control structure, you have to be indent in one block. This is one block. This is one block. So, but to be clear, the program code should be clear. So you have to write in align those indentations. Now we will put more than 25. Now there will be an your luggage has 5 kilograms extra. There will be an extra charge of 50. 5 into 10. Thank you for your business. Okay, right. Now iteration. Now iteration in this one. No, this is not iteration. This is something else. Nested. Nested if else. Now here, if the mark is greater than or equal to the 80, it will print grade will be excellent. Else, if marks greater than or equal to 65, grade is good. Else, if marks greater than or equal to 50, grade is pass. Else, grade is fail. Then after this nested loop, it will print grade for this subject is great. This is the variable. I will copy this one directly. Now what is this code? First, input the student marks. Data type is plot. This value is assigned to the mark, variable mark. The marks data type also will be plot. Plot means you can enter not only the integer values, but also decimal values also you can insert, like 80.5 you can insert. If you type integer here, or you can enter only 80, 65, 50. You can't enter 80.5. Now you have to input this value. Then check whether if marks greater than or equal 80, then the variable, there's another variable called grade. What is this? What is the data type of this variable? It will be character, string. Grade excellent will be assigned to this grade variable. Else, then again, if marks greater than 65, the grade will be good. Else, actually this is nested. It's called if. Within the if else, another if else here. There is a if else here. Within that if else, there is another if else. Else, if marks greater than 50, grade pass, else grade fail. That is, uh, mm, uh, if uh, if else within the if else, I am executing this. Just grade this. We will try write like this. Here you can see this. There is a error. Yeah, value error. This error type is value error. That is, you can't enter if these input variables values are should the data type of this value are uh, i- only integer type. We have to write float if you want to put 80.70.5 like this. Sorry, your grade is your grade for this subject is good. Like now, if if now here this what uh, what is this called? Program print grades. Now the same program like earlier one, but it is easier. If marks greater than 80, grade excellent. There's another if else command uh, keyword L if, that is else if mark greater than or equal to 65, the grade is good. L if mark greater than 50, pass. Now you have to write else. Grade equal L print um, grade grade. You can write like this also. Grade fail. Yes. This program is smaller than this program, but the same thing will happen. Here it is other code. This earlier I told here. This earlier I did in sequence. Then the if else is like this. This one selection. I will explain about this one next. This is while. while loop, n is equal to 0. That is variable. While n less than 10. Here also it will start within a indentation. N is equal to n plus. Now here there are two lines within the while loop. It belongs to the while loop. N is equal to the n plus 1. In the while loop, what happens is n is equal to the n plus 1. That means n is 0. 0 plus 1, 1 will assign to the n and then print the n. Then go back to the while loop until the n is equal to the 10. N is not less than 10. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, print 10. Like that up to 9. 10 is also print. Now n plus 1, 0, n plus 1 is 1. Then the first one is 0, 1. Now what happens in the now here the last one is n is 9. 9 is less than 10. But here n is n plus 1. So it will add. So it will become 10. So it will print 1 to 10 numbers. Now here if we put print here, indentation of this print statement goes back, what will happen? Only the last one will print, because this print is not belong to while loop. Now this print is belongs to the while loop. Now this whole loop. Now number list. Here, this is what is this? This is an array. Okay. Now here I will comment. Comment is nothing will happen. If we type at the beginning this hash sign, this line will ignore from the interpreter. Now, this number list is a data type is list. Actually, this array is also this like array. So there are several numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there within one value. It is called list. So this is for loop. This is a variable. Target value variable. It begins from the 0 in number list. In number list is this variable. This variable is this array or list. Here also you have to start after this for loop with the indentation. Print this one. What is this? Print target value. Target value is this one. This one, first target value is 1. Target value is squared of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Squared is 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, like 6 into 6. Int this maths. So what is this math? You have to import a library called math. This is program code written by the Python, and this library is available. This math called math. This function belongs to the math. We can write like this also, as if you want to short this, just you can type import math as m. So you have to write m dot power of target value into 2. That 2 into square. That here 1 list. It will get the first value of this list, target value. In number list is this one array, and then print the squared is, it will print the power. Second 2 squared is 4, like this, up to the end of this list. This is a for loop, one type of for loop. Other one is while loop with break. What is this break? Now what happened? Here, while n is less than 10, n is equal to the n plus 1, print 10. If n is equal to 5, break. What has happened? Now, it will print up to the n is equal to the 5. After that, it will stop. Now up to the 5, up to n is equal to 5, print. After that, stop. Sometimes this break statement need. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay. Do you have any questions here? Now, while loop. Yes, another point is while and if. Now here, while loop n is equal to 0, while n less than 10. N is n plus 1. If, what is this percentage sign is, if n is n here like this, okay. N is equal to say 10, comma, here n percentage 2. Percentage 2 is n divided by 2, the remaining. Remaining of n divided by 2 is 0. Say 11 divided remaining of 11 divided by 2 is 0.5. It's okay, no? Now 1. 2 into 5 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. 1, okay. Here, continue, okay. This special is continue. If n percentage to 2 is remaining of 0, continue, else print 10. That means what is this, what will print from this program is all the odd numbers. Or it will print all the odd numbers up to 10. Not equal to the. Now, here this if when we write if, we have to write two equal signs. Here, if n, two equal signs. Here also, if greater than or equal. If we write equal, we have to write two equals in with the if statements. we can write not equal is like that, from like this. 2, 4, it will print. If the remaining of n divided by 2 is not equal to 0, continue. So that is all the odd numbers will be removed, and all the even numbers will be printed. Data types and data structures. Data structures. Actually, these are list. We call list. There's a data structure called list. This is in here. The maximum value of this list is 13. We can write 0 to 13. No, that is 14. Maximum size is 14. We can write data here, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, anything. This is index. This is index 3, 3 to 7. Did you understand this data structure? Hello? Okay. Now here, this is list. This is a list. List contains now here we write a list. The name of this list is characters. The values are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J up to N. What is the length of this character list is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But it is 0 to 13. We can write print characters 0. 0 index, print 0 index of this character list. What is this 0 index is A. But print characters, we will write this it should print error. Here list index out of range. That means length is 14, but this index value is 0 to 13. 0 and 13. And you can write L length of this character minus 1. here in. Like that you can get values of these indexes by using like this. How to input data? Characters 0 becomes, let's say, 2. Now print characters. Now earlier it is A. Now this 0 index value become 2. Now simple slice character 3 to 8. Now this is another variable, another list. Characters 3 to 8. This 3:8. Index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. D 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1. H. This 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 3. 3 is D. D2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, no, 8. 8 is I. 8 minus 1. H. Now, here, now what is this? 3 to 8. 3 to 8 means D to H, up to D to H, after two values. Now 3 to 8 is D, E, F, G, H. T, then ignore the E. After 2 points, then F, then G is ignored, and H. Slicing operators. Start is 0 now here to end. Start item start through the rest of the array up to the end, beginning of end. The copy of all the array. List last item in the array. Print last item. -1 is last item. Last two, here last 2 items. Here everything except last 2 items. You can test these examples like this. Character print start is we say 3 to rest of the all of the values. from the D to N, up, up to the end, like this. And you have to write, you can write these things also. And this one is an example of this. Character list is here 3 to 8, and simple size, and this 0 to from 0 to up to the end 14 one, from the end to the 14th one. -1 is only the last one, it will print. Range, print range. What will print the range? Range will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is 0 to 5. It will generate 0 to 5. It should print 0 to 5. Here you have to write like this. For I in range, print I. You have to write like this within the for loop. So I become first one is 0, and then range up to the range 5. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the 4. 0 to 4. What will happen this one? 5 to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, not 10. 5 to 10 minus 1. 0 to 10 after 3 values. After 3 values are 0, 3, 0, 1, 2 missing, 3. Because of this. 0, 3, 6, 9. This is another main point, functions. Functions is you can actually write in one program several things, but to easily read and modularize them, we need functions. How to write a simple function? If you have questions, please ask us. Function. Now, function start with a define. Diff command will indicate that it is a function, and this is the name of the function, and this you can write here parameters into the function, but in this one there's no parameter here, and it the function start with this colon command, and then what happens in this within this function, print hello twice. This program start from here. First it will start the program goes until the end of this function, and then start the main program. Main program has print twice, and this program name, both of these program names should be same. When this from the main program, it call the function print twice. It should be same. Name should be same, and you have to input parameters here. The parameters get input to this function is here, and this will print twice hello. This just we define a function. We will check how to input parameters. Here, this defines the function. Function name is to print twice. This is the variable input to this function. Now this function ends with this indentation. Here, this is not indentation, x is equal to 2. So x variable is 2. The 2 is assigned to the x variable. Then call the function called print twice with the x value. This value and this name and this name may not equal or equal. That it doesn't matter. So this value will assign to this one. Then it will goes to this 2 value 2 will goes to here, and then print 2 again. Here it will print 2 twice. If you write 3 here, you can write 3 Amara. Write like this. Now here, when we uh, assign values, the x will become a string value, string data type, and then it will goes to the x value, and then this value goes to here, and then it will print this. This is not like C program. C program. If we declare variable character, we can't change it. If we declare data type as integer or something like that, we can't change it. So here you can do it. What will happen to if you write this code? This code x see here, x is what is x? X is a character string character. So x into 5 is x will print 5 times, and then another x here it will go here and print a twice, so it will print x 5 times into 2 here. First one is x into 5, now x 5 times, and then again x 5 times in the print twice function. Suppose we can enter like this. Oh, what will happen? 20. 4 into 5, 20. It will goes to here, and it will print 20 twice time. Now this one. Now what is this? There are two functions here. The find average function is here, and then the main function here, and then there are two functions here, and the main value, main function. Now this interpreter goes first to the main value. First, it will go to the this main function, and then the main function will call this main function find average this one 4 6. this, then find function 4, only 4. Here there are two value scores. Here only one value scores. What will happen here? Define find average. First one is x. Second one is y. Then the default value is 12. If there is no value goes to this instead of to the y, it will assign 12. Average x plus y divided by 2. Print average of x and y is average. So in the first one, find average 4 into 6 goes to here, 4 goes to here, 6 goes to here, the 6 goes to, so it will print 4 plus 6 and divide by 10. In the second one, only the x value goes here, y value will be a default one. So it will assign 12. The average of 4 and 6 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. In the second one, 4 plus 12 and 16 divided by 2. The other one. This program, first it will go to the main, then first the main function will call, define print numbers, y is 3, x is 6. Here the numbers, define print numbers, first one is x, second one is y. Here the topic is parameters and change. What is this meaning? Here in this one, just we call 4 and 6. It will assign 4 into x, 6 into y. Here if we don't know how, exactly the y and x, we can assign y is equal to 3, x is equal to 6. We can change it and send to this function. And this parameter, this y goes to here, x goes to here. And the print value of x is value of y is here, like this. Here, the value of x variable is 6, value of y variable is 3. Then in C, in other program, most other programming languages, you can't do this. You can't change it. Here, if you don't know the exact exactly the what value should go, to the function. Here what happens is we write args, this one args. We don't know the variable. I is equal to 0. So j is in args. Args print I, j, j. I plus j. Print I. Now, first we add 3, 6. First one, I is equal to 0. Then j is equal to 3. Here I is actually we assign inside the defined function I is 0. First one I is equal to 0. Then add 3 value. First value it will goes to the 3. And then I is equal to the 0. J will print 3. Then what happened? I equal I plus j. I equal I plus j is 0 to 3. 0 to 3 is 0, right? Then after that, it will goes to the 6, to this one. Then I is 3. Then it will add to the 6. Okay, understood? We will check this one. Here, first one is 2.35. Second one is 5. First one I is equal to the 3. Second one j is equal to 2.3. Then I become 2.3. I equal I plus j. Then j is the next input, 5, this 5. And then j is 5. Then add both together, so it will become 7.3. What is the next one? 3, 6, 8. First one is I is equal to 0, j is equal to 3. Then I equal I plus j, I become 3. The next one is 6. Here this one is 6. 6 become j is become 6. So I plus j, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And then last one is 8. Then again it will print 9 plus 8 is 17, like that. The other one is also like this. We don't know how many variables will input. Other thing is function with return value. Here, function with return value. Here answer is square n. This function is square n. Function name is square n. Input variable is y. Y within the function y into y squared is assigned to the square value, and then return square value. This actually in the function, we declare a variable within the function, it will not go, it will not valid for outside the function. That is that square value, we cannot get square value here. So we have to return square value uh, out to the outside to the function. So return. So we can write return square value. Now return square value in the main program. Square in the variable y5 goes to here, and then the answer will become 5 into 5, 25. The answer is 25. The variable, this square in return value will assign to this answer, and then print answer 25. Now up to now, today's day school is finished. So if you have any problem, we can discuss.